Here with Hiro, picking up a couple things to do. Some really cool, interesting rolls that you too can do at home, especially with the ingredients that he has. I'm looking for some good meat. And a couple other things he's picked up. We have some bean sprouts. That's actually for another roll. Actually not a roll, but a ramen dish. But you picked up this, some signature mashed potatoes. Key is of course some quality beef. That's nice. What are we making, Hiro?
Prime rib roll.
Prime rib roll.
Actually, prime rib is a little bit difficult. I mean, not really with that kind of beef. Need a more
Larger one, thicker one.
So, a steak. Just steak, but a medium rare.
Okay.
2 layers. The other day we went to Lorry's and Beverly Hills. I really enjoy the prime rib.
Yeah.
So mashed potato and steak and spinach.
And spinach.
And mashed potato.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it together, everything.
Nice, nice.
So,
and welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We got another killer recipe today. Something that you really enjoyed when we were out in LA.
Yes.
One of your favorite restaurants was Lawry's Prime Rib.
Mm-hmm.
And those guys are incredible. If you have never been, they've got restaurants in Chicago, Beverly Hills, Las Vegas, maybe some other restaurant under their family name, but their prime rib is unbelievable. And I know today's recipes, your sushi is going to be based on that.
Yes, actually put everything together.
Okay.
Inside of the roll.
Let's show everyone the ingredients.
Yes. The first one, the ribeye steak here.
Okay.
Yes, and then mashed potato. Yeah, basically everything not really way too much special technique. Everything buy from the local supermarket.
Yeah.
Of course, mashed potato. Probably people say you can make it by scratch. So yes, of course you can make it by scratch. You can buy the potato, skin off, and then of course you can do it too. Of course, that's okay. But today, just instead of that time, I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
Pre-made one. So much easier for you guys. And green bean here and the spinach here.
Okay.
So this one, I'm gonna put a little bit boiling. They're making softer. And even also spinach too.
Okay.
And the after we're gonna cook beef, salt and pepper, and the
You have some
butter.
nori. You also have here some sushi rice.
Yeah, sushi rice is ready.
Okay.
Nori here. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of butter for when I cook steak.
Okay.
Salt and pepper right here.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Hiro. Let's begin. What's the
Sure.
first step?
First step, the water just start boiling. So
Okay.
let's start with the vegetable. First, let's go to the green bean. Put onto the roll, so it's gonna be not too much. 1, 2, 3. It depends on how big a size of the roll you want to make. So you can make either seaweed outside or inside. Maybe I'm thinking to buy roll up sushi self, maybe this much is the size.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 piece. 8 piece.
Okay.
Green bean. So water, hot pick up, and then put in the ice water.
Now, one really nice thing to have at Lawry's is their spinning salad.
Spinach. How they call spinach? Cream spinach?
Oh yeah, the cream spinach on the
Like that, right?
yeah. But I was thinking you meant the spinning salad that they do at Lawry's. Really unique.
And this one very quick.
Okay.
Let's put in the water. Very fast to see. And then the spinach is getting softer. That's it.
Really quick, huh?
Water. Very quick, very quick. Hey, the steak. Open. Salt and pepper. Okay, let's start cook the beef. Today, hopefully, not the fire alarm gonna be starting.
That's right.
So it's to me a little bit of nightmare.
Last time we did that, remember in the hotel, Hiro?
Right.
That was not a good afternoon.
It wasn't very bad afternoon.
Very, very bad. Thought they were gonna arrest us or something, you know?
Right.
Oh, the smoke. Okay. Wow, what a great sear. Look at that color. Beautiful, huh?
Yeah, very nice.
Beautiful. I have to say, you make amazing sushi, Hiro, but your steaks are out of this world.
The steak?
Your steaks
Oh,
are
yeah.
amazing.
Thanks.
I think you were meant to be a grill man, not a sushi man. Master grill man. Wow, especially Peter Luger's. Yeah, or Wolfgang's. That's it. It's done. Wow. Smells amazing. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell this at home.
That's it.
Let it sit here for a little while, right?
Yeah, we're gonna keep it for a little bit.
Okay, Hiro.
So we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna keep it here like that. Okay, so all ingredients is ready to roll it up.
Okay,
So let's start rolling.
sounds good, Hiro.
Yeah, steak is ready, mashed potato ready, and vegetables ready.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna use a seaweed. This is a full seed. I just cut to. We can go to. Yeah, I go to full sheet today.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's fill it up here. Let's make it a very hearty roll, steak and potato roll, right?
Right.
You can't forget those veggies.
Gotta make inside out, so rice coming outside.
Okay.
So that's what we're going to make today. Yeah. The amount of the rice is really up to you guys. If you want to put more rice, put more rice. We're making thinner, the adjustment. So today I'm gonna use the garlic, fried garlic, instead of the sesame seeds.
Okay. Like that touch.
Mm.
More flavored, you know?
Right. Like that. Yeah, let's put it upside down here. And the green bean. The green bean, actually, I'm keeping the cold, but of course, you know, you can grill those green bean too. Very nice too. So 4x4, and then the spinach.
Okay.
That's beautiful, you know. I wanna use a center cut, right?
Nice. Really, really nice color.
good, right?
Yeah. Beautiful.
So rare.
I love the lip of the ribeye, the outside of the lip.
Right.
This is so good.
Look at this.
Wow. Like I told you, you are a steak master.
Right? It's not gonna. People not gonna say the raw, right?
No, that's fine. Sushi's raw, so.
This on this side. Yeah.
How about some more beef, no?
Yeah, no, different.
Yeah,
Of course, I'm going to.
definitely. Beautiful.
Okay, now start to roll it up.
Wow, that's a nice size roll, let me tell you.
Yes,
Really, really
good
nice size.
right?
Oh, yeah.
The beef is very juicy, so my tips, one advice is maybe before you put the beef, maybe you take a little bit of juice out.
Okay.
It's more easy, actually.
But not as delicious, right? I love when the juice comes out
juice
of the
is,
rice.
yeah, of course, beef, so steak, so take
Okay.
off all the juice is not good. But if we keep too much juice,
Right.
it's not too easy.
Okay.
So, and now I'm gonna put the mashed potatoes on the top.
This is a truly steak and potato kind of roll. Americans love steak and potatoes.
I like mashed potato, baked potato. Yes. On top. And tie it up. Of course, don't push too much this area. More likely on the side.
Right.
Just the shape. Like that. Okay, by the way, I'm gonna use this knife.
Your first use of this beautiful knife, Hiro.
Yes, I just got.
Nice. You're gonna christen the knife with a beautiful steak and potato kind of roll. Well, let me tell you, that thing looks sharp. Just went through that like nothing, huh? The plastic and everything else.
Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit plastic over in it. And then reshape before set up on the plate. So why I put in another plastic, I just cover up to the mashed potato, not gonna contact into the
that's true.
makisu. So that's the only thing. So
Yeah.
it's nothing. Like that.
Wow, look at that beef inside. Can you guys see that? That is unbelievable. Mouth watering. Oh my goodness. That looks so good, Hiro. so good.
We just need maybe gravy sauce or something.
Oh yeah,
It's gonna be Thanksgiving, early Thanksgiving potato.
that's true.
We put the turkey inside. So then, and this is up to you guys. Maybe you wanna put the scallion for the color, or whatever. We're gonna put a little bit. This is a dry onion. Nice. That's it.
That looks so good.
Yep.
Wow. Can't wait to try this, Hiro. Really can't wait. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us what you think about this steak and potato roll down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, Hiro.
Hey, thank you very much.
See you soon. Okay, Hiro-san, to the best part.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big bites, you know.
Yeah.
Actually, size maybe for the girl, maybe a little bit more small is good. Maybe more good for because one bite is more easier, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So maybe next time maybe I should make a little bit more smaller. It's good for easy to eat. But,
Okay.
well, let's
try
go.
it.
I'm gonna take
so
the center
good.
one, so
Oh,
now you can
man.
see the color.
Take a look at that. So good. Okay.
Mm.
Enjoy, Hiro.
Yeah, one bite, big bites. Mm-hmm.
How's that with the mashed potato, prime rib? Actually, ribeye. Looks like prime rib though.
Mm.
I'm gonna take this piece right
Yeah,
here.
go ahead.
This one I gotta do on camera. Can't get away from it. Can you guys see this at home?
So maybe I don't know what they call the sauces. Those brown sauce come with the prime rib.
A Jew.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe dipping, or maybe a little bit to making the a little thicker. Maybe making it more thicker.
That is so good. But the prime rib, the mashed potato, get a little texture from that dried onion. Wow, what a great meal. Guys, take a look at this. That looks so good. And it is good. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Sorry. We'll see you very soon. Thank you.